Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best knife sharpeners of 2025. The sharpeners that deliver the best edge, the best value, and the best performance for home cooks, outdoor enthusiasts, and professionals. Whether you need a quick touch-up sharpener or a full precision system, we've tested and reviewed the top options so you can choose the perfect one for your needs. All product links are listed for you in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get into the top 5. Meet the XUDAKAIXIN rolling knife sharpener, the secret to keeping every premium knife cutting with precise, long-lasting sharpness. Serious chefs know quality knives are an investment, and this innovative sharpener protects that investment by restoring blades to a like-new edge in seconds. Its patented 5-angle sharpening system makes it easy to perfectly sharpen both traditional and specialty knives, while the diamond-plated D35 grit sharpening surface, nature's hardest material, effortlessly revives even the dullest edges. After sharpening, flip the tool to reveal the stainless steel helix disc, designed to refine your blade and remove burrs for a flawlessly smooth finish. With a simple magnetic blade holder, a smooth rolling motion, and replaceable magnetic grinding heads, this sharpener is built for both convenience and professional-grade performance. Keep your knives razor sharp, safer to use, and ready for any kitchen challenge with Krcqap Knife Sharpener. Elevate your cooking experience with this powerful electric knife sharpener. Engineered with a 3-stage precision sharpening system to restore your blades to razor-sharp perfection in seconds. The coarse slot brings dull or damaged knives back to life. The fine slot handles everyday maintenance, and the polishing stage delivers a smooth, ultra-sharp finish. Simply pull your knife evenly from heel to tip, and in just a few passes, transform traditional 20-degree edges into a professional 15-degree cutting angle for effortless slicing. Featuring 100% diamond abrasives, protective sharpening materials, and a built-in magnetic dust collection box for mess-free cleanup, this sharpener ensures safe, balanced, and chip-free results. With its stable, non-overheating performance, you can sharpen your entire kitchen collection: chef's knives, bread knives, straight edge, ceramic, and more, all with ease. Perfect for both home cooks and professionals, this electric sharpener delivers reliability, efficiency, and precision right on your countertop. 3. TUMBLER Rolling Knife Sharpener. Experience professional-grade sharpness at home with the TUMBLER Rolling Knife Sharpener, engineered for chefs who demand precision and durability. This innovative sharpener keeps your expensive knives performing like new for years, delivering factory-level sharpness in just minutes. Powered by diamond-plated D35 grit, equivalent to an 800 grit whetstone, it effortlessly restores your blade's edge, while the proprietary stainless steel helix disc removes burrs for an ultra-fine, razor-precise finish. With an intuitive design that combines a magnetic knife holder, selectable 15-degree and 20-degree angles, and smooth rolling motion, anyone can achieve perfectly uniform sharpening without the learning curve. Simple, effective, and built for long-lasting performance, the TUMBLER sharpener transforms every kitchen task with cleaner cuts and superior control. 2. Chef's Choice 15XV Edge transform the way you cut with the powerful electric knife sharpener designed to bring professional sharpness right into your kitchen. This smart sharpener converts traditional 20-degree factory edges into high-performance 15-degree Trizor XV edges for razor-sharp results. With 100% diamond abrasives and an advanced 3-stage EdgeSelect system, it sharpens, hones, and polishes both straight-edge and serrated knives to perfection. The patented flexible spring guides automatically adjust to maintain the ideal angle, making it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. In just 1 minute, your dull blades become precision tools, and resharpening takes only seconds. Built for durability and effortless performance, this electric sharpener delivers ultimate cutting power in a compact design backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Upgrade your kitchen and experience the difference of truly sharp knives. 1. Work sharp. Precision Adjust Elite upgrade your sharpening game with the ultimate all-in-one system built for precision, speed, and versatility. Featuring 7 abrasives: diamond, fine ceramic, leather strop, and 5 grit levels: 220, 320, 400, 600, 800. You can dial in the perfect edge for any knife or tool. With an adjustable 15 to 30 degree sharpening angle, it's fully customizable and repeatable, whether you're reprofiling an old blade, polishing your favorite knife, or even sharpening serrated edges. Work faster and smarter with quick index tri-abrasive stones that let you swap grits in seconds without slowing down your workflow. Backed by a 3-year warranty, every Krcqap sharpener is proudly designed, engineered, and quality tested in Ashland, Oregon, ensuring top-tier performance from globally sourced premium components. Elevate your edge, crafted with confidence in Oregon. All right, everyone, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best knife sharpeners of 2025. I hope this breakdown helped you find the perfect sharpener for your kitchen, workshop, or outdoor gear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. All product links are added in the description below, so feel free to check them out for the latest prices and details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.